Okay, pwede rin mo i-print yan eh. Okay. So in printing, gusto na ko sir nga ipa-print tanan. Ang sulod ni names is print na ko tanan. So if you do that, you can say tawgo lang nimo dito sa names. Wala error nga may tabo. Names, which is names. Wala siya bracket nakabutang, wala siya open close bracket, square bracket. Names lang. So as you can see, ang yung output niya is this one. Yan yung output niya. Okay? Java lang. Okay. As you can see, mara siya gibberish lang. Okay? Kung gusto mo i-output ninyo tanan, you use the loop. You use loop. So, saan paggamit sa loop? Okay. For loop, pwede while loop, pero for loop ang gamitan na to. Basta array. Okay, di ba? Natay pag loop na to is natay counter. So let us use x as our counter. So remember our array will always starts at 0. Okay. Kanon sa rin siya mag-end. Okay. Kung ang atong output is even, kanon sa man mag-end ang atong loop na to, dapat taman siya sa 9. Dili siya sobra sa 9, di ba siya magkulang sa 9. So ang imong moton mo is even dot length. Na yun, x plus plus. Meaning, your array, your loop will always loop. Mag-loop siya until basta ang x nimo, which is your counter, is lesser than even that length. Pila man ang length ni even? Bilang length ni even 10. So mag-loop siya basta dili ang sila mag-equal. So let us try. Okay, makalibog mo na siya usahay. So even, open close, square bracket, sulod na to ang x, which is si x ang atong mahimong index na to. Siya ang mag-ingon ng sa metabo. So dito print. I will use print lang. Okay. Void main string. As you can see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18, 20. No, so by this code, ningon ta nga x will start as 0, ang loop niya is 0. Okay, ato ning ipakita dito sa tong visualization dito nato bitaw. Para makita gid ninyo nga unsay na ana day. Visualization. Okay. So you can use this one na kung sa atong mga pieces na to pwede niyo gamitan ni Python, Java. Ato visualization ito para makita ninyo sa pagkasunod. So let's say oops, mag-error ni siya kay wala na copy si even. Okay. Fun. So visualize. Wala mo gana ni siya. So index this one. So what is the first line of code that will be executed? Basically ang pinakauna nga nasa main name mo. Next name mo. So as you can see now, tama, even this one ang array, nag-declare ka array. These are the indexes 0 to 9. The first one is ningon kang si x is 0. Si x bilang primero, this one. First nga loop niya is x is 0. So is x lesser than even that length? Pero atong even that length 10. So equals lesser than ba siya, true or false? Yes, true. True siya. So i-output niya ang even x. I-output niya ang x0. So that is even index 0. Because man siya. I-output niya even index 0. I-output niya dire. So what is even index 0? So that is 2. So man ang i-output niya. Okay? X plus plus. May pila na si x. May mo na si x into 1. So 1. Is 1 lesser than even that length? True or false? That is true. Lesser pa siya. So what is index? What is the element at even index 1? So 4. So we're expecting 4 na dayon. So is plus plus, balik na siya, loop permanente. As you can see, ang x na to mag-change ang iyang values. So sa 9, is 9 lesser than even that length? True or false? 9 na ba, di ba? Is 9 lesser than even that length? True or false? That is true because the length of your even is 10 man. So lesser pa ang 9. So remember, what is the index at array even 9? No, what is the element at the index 9 of your array even? So that is 20. So ma-output siya. So ang x na to, x plus plus na rin ta dayon, may mo siya 10. Is 10 lesser than even that length? What is the even that length? 10. 10 is 10 lesser than 10, true or false? The answer is false. So, mo exit na rin atong program na to dayon. Okay? So that is how they print, no? So mo to siya ang visualization. Ngano ang x na to ni-print sa tanan. Okay? So, the question is, sir, what if, sir, kung pabaliktad, unahon na kung ang pinaka-last, ang pinaka-ubos dayon ang ikaduha. Okay, let's try that. Okay, magkuhan lang ka na siya. At the same, for loop lang yapan ang gamiton yapan ako. Ako i-type. For the for loop, int, let us say, x lang yapon, x for our counter na to. So, kay gusto man ka nga, gikan siya sa pinakalas, ang 20, dire ka, gikan sa pinakalas, palong sa pinakaubos. So, what is the x is 0? So, because the index starts 0, what is the last nga index man? So, that is length minus 1. So, pwede kami nga even that length minus 1. So, what is the value of your x? Okay, so that is the value of your x, which is 9. Okay, then x is greater than or equal to 0. Ngano but nga na kung equal sign? It's because 0 is still included. Okay, it's still included. Dayon x minus minus. So the same lang yapon sa system.out na to. System.out that print ln even x plus space there. So let us try. Umuran ba siya? Oops, print ln. Sorry. Print ln. Print lang dapat. But it did, we have a code already. So, nigana siya. Okay? So, you can see 20, 18. So, pabali na po siya dayon. Okay? So, let us visualize this one. Tanan na to kung unsay, makita ba na to dire? Okay. Okay, system.out.println is para lang ma-consider because there is atong output na to. Okay, ako to na. This is itong output na to. This one man, di ba? Kaya kung that print man siya una, ang loop na to una, kaya kung wala ko niya na ko ni, musumpay niya ang 20 dire. Musumpay dire. So that's why nabutang kong system.out.println sa to nga sa duha ka loop para next line na po din yung ikaduha nga loop. Okay, mana siya ang meaning ano nabutang kong system.out.print. Okay. So, for visualization sa tong array, okay. This is our array na to. Declare siya. So, we have our array. We have the, so what is, kanina, nakita na nato ni. So, for 6, 8, 12, 15, 18, 20. So, as you can see, pag 20 na, ma-exit naman siya because that is 10 is lesser than even that length. 10 is lesser than 10. That is false. Magto rin siya system.out.print. So, pag ito niya, meaning, ang cursor, kung sa mag-type pa ang cursor, so magto na sa ubos, yan na dayon. Next na po dayon is 4. Pila man si x na to. Pag-execute niya, the x will become, we're expecting 9. So because even that length is 10 minus 1, that is 9. So we have 9 already. Okay? Is 9 greater than or equal to 0? True or false? That is true. So because it is true, i-print niya ang 20, which is even index 9. Dalawang x, 9. Even index 9. So even index 9, that is, gi-reference niya into 9. So the answer is 20. So balik na po, x minus minus, it will become 8, 7, tawa, 8, may masyag 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tanawa, ha? Ngano nabuta kong equals? Wala ko nabutang greater than 0. Ngano nabutang equals? Because 0 is still part of your array. Mo nang pinakalas. So, ato pa na siyang apilon. So, x will be 0. Execute na dire. 2. Apilon pa na to si 2. Okay? So, after that, exit na dayan. So, that is your how to output your array using a for loop. Okay? Hopefully that's clear. Okay? So, that's it for our array. So, the first loop, it will give us from first index to the last index. And then the second loop is from the last index to your first index, which is the 0 index. Okay? So displaying, copying. Okay. Let us read this one. Okay, reference array. When you make an assignment to an array variable, it simply copies the reference. It doesn't copy the array itself. For example, double A, new double B. So memory, this one, memory diagrams of variables into the same array. This is going to create 3 doubles and make 2 different variables, refer to it. Any change made to either variable will be seen by the other. For example, we set A. So, okay. Okay. So, pwede daw nimo kapihon ang array. So, for example, si even. Let us say, in names lang. String. String names. Pwede nimo yung names. Tawagon nimo. So, for the string, the same lang for the string. Pag-output nimo, let us try to i-output na to ang names na to ang array. So, for loop lang yung pamamitan na to. So, int x, this was 0, x is lesser than to names dot length x plus plus. So, akong gamit na ko ay string na niya. So, system dot out dot print just that print, and then we're gonna have names ayan x plus ikaduha I will output the names. Okay, ako nang gikapi ang references niya, but the problem with this daw kay kung inanyo na to pag-copy, so this one copying of reference. So kung inanyo na to daw, it will cause an one. Int x, x is lesser than names dot length x plus plus try system dot out dot print names x plus. I will just copy this one, okay, para malahit niya. Copy and then Hmm?
Spelling.
Spelling sa, di ba, nag-names mo ko
Name
dali.
user.
Naman names, oh. Okay. X is equals to 0. Okay, remember, I have two string array. The first one is names. Kasi malibog mo. Names, this one. My name is 4, di ba? So, gusto na ko nga, gi-copy na ako si names into kang names. Names nga in AMS. So, gi-copy na ko ang sulod ni names into in AMS. So, mana siya, names na siya. Okay? So, ayun, nasa lang ito wala yung initialization. Okay? So, names, ikaduha is names. Ito. Names, names. So, compile. So, as you can see, 8 copied, no? John Cena Undertaker. But ingon siya, nga problema daw is if mag-change ta o kung kang names, kang names po daw, ma-change po daw. So, let us try. So, gusto na ko nga, after na ko print, after na print kang names, i-change na ko ni si taker. Ay, i-print na ako si names. Try na to kung mag-change ko yapon dire. So, para gusto niya may change ang kuan, gusto na ko i-change si taker. So, what is the index of taker? 0, 1, 2, 3. So, i-change na ko 3. Ano na mag-change? So, names, what is the index of, I'm change them 4. So, utrohon na ko into sure. Sana siya. Let us try. Void means today. Ay, bubo. Tama na, save ko. Nano 4 ako mat 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is dili. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So even though ako na-save ka ko. So 3 di ay ang pinakalas nga index. Sayo pa nga akong gibuhat. Array index out of bound. Because 4 is the length 3. Okay, so that is an honest mistake. Sana siya, no? Malimtan yung ganyan every now and then, malimot ninyo. So, familiar. So, as you can see, dyan say na, even though ang atong gi-change lang is si names lang, ang atong gi-change is si names, dire, into pressure, ang names nga kuan is na change appeal ang names. So, that is the problem with this. So, let us try daw nga, si names atong i-change dire. Hindi 0. Names. Instead nga John, ito nga Vincent. Yun yung change siya. So we're expecting instead nga kuan, instead nga John, Vincent siya. So, as you can see, kung asa ka mag-change is either the two, vanilla duha, mugawas ka man siya is because it's the reference that you are copying. Vincent Sena, Vincent Taker, Vincent Sena under pressure. Ano man, because there na-change naman ka. Okay? That is the concept of this one, no? No, na yung kanya. The same lang sila ga-reference. Referring the same array. Different array names, but they are referencing the same array. Okay? So any changes made through either variable will be seen by the other. So asa ka? If set A 0 to 17, it will be 0 to 17 because A and B are different names for the same thing. So different pangalan pero the same lang nga array. They are called sometimes aliases. So we have here aliases. If you actually want to copy, so kung gusto nimo nga mag-copy ka, para bitaw sa inyong mga bitaw mga, gusto mag-copy nga lahiyon nimo nga imuha na gid na ang kuno nimo nga imo sa kinapira. You have to create a new array and copy the element from one to other like this. Okay, so you are using the loop, no? But So Java util arrays provide the method name copy of that perform this task for you so you can replace the previous code with one line. Okay, so pwede nyo buhaton pwede magamit og loop pero you can use the Java util arrays nga kuan. So let us use this one. Okay. Names delete yung saan niya? Double B arrays that copy of. Arrays that copy of. So si names that atong inon si names nga array that copy of names. Copy of A. Names. What is the length of your names? That's 4. 4. Okay. Okay. So it's because we are using java.util.array, so you need to import java.util array. So we can use this one, the array of copy of. Let us try, no? Arrays day. Bagis. Okay, arrays. Okay. Dili niya makita cannot find symbol. It's because there is type yapon arrays day. Dapat taghan arrays. Okay, plural. So let us try. There's no error anymore. So try to run. So as you can see, even si John Cena Taker, Undertaker, wala tayo change kang John Cena Taker. But there is si Nims, di ba? Nims. Vincent. As you can see, ang na-change lang is si Nims lang. Wala na change si, which is ganina, itong ibuhat na to, which is kung ano to, copying reference. Elimination copying reference. Itong string, ay, bobo. Bobo chums. Saan na yung ganun? Reference. Copy, paste. Okay. So, timanin niyo. So, kaya ganina, this one is we are still referencing. So, unsa ang changes gibuhat nimo kang names will be the changes nga mabuhat ko kang names. So, it is vice versa. So, let us try to put this one here at the top. So, nag-change ta kang names, nag-change po ta kang names. So, the same lang yapon. There will be no walay kalainan. Vincent Sena under pressure, Vincent Sena under pressure. The same lang sila kaya nag-change na dire duha. But if we are using this other one, which is the arrays, nag-import tag-arrays, copy of, void main string. So as you can see, the changes will be, kung asa ka nag-change, dyan sina pressure because nag-change kang names, dito na siya mo reflect, dire po dayan kang names po dayan. Okay, names. Asya. Okay? That is the power of arrays that copy of. Okay. Dili na to magamit ani. Atong gamit lang is array that copy of. Okay? So, but there is a good thing about ani. Okay. Ano good thing man sa sir. Okay. For example bitaw, sa imong array nimo this one, gusto nimo nga instead nga John Cena Undertaker, gusto nimo sa names is Taker under Cena John. Kung gusto mo ana balihon iya, di ba? Ang iyang copy niya dili names ng pangato ay name copy. Names copy ana atong dili mo maglibog. Names copy. Kaya pala ko kalibog na ko. Okay, names copy. Okay. So, kung gusto nimo nga di ba si names kay ang iyang John Cena Undertaker. Gusto niyo mabalik kaning balik sa copy. Under taker under Cena John ana siya from top to bottom. So ang gamiton nimo dili na ka magamit aning arrays.copy of. Ako ning i-remove ba. If 8 okay. So instead ngayon ninyo yung pag-copy, ang inyong buhaton is katong loop ang inyong gamiton. Okay. Sorry. This loop. Yan yung pag loop. Okay? First is mo-declare mo og string names copy. Mo-declare mo string. New string. Okay. Para safe ang inyong index ninyo, kay copy man siya sa names. So, inyong button is names.length. Para copyhon, gid niya pila ang length niya. So, copyhon niya names.length. So, pwede man yung butang 4, but mas better nga, ano lang, para kung dili mo sure pila ang length ni names, so pwede nyo gamitin yung names.length. Okay, so 4. So, the same lang, itong ganina, this one, di ba, pabali man siya. The same lang, pabali. Int x is equals to let us say names.length. Mag-start siya names.length minus 1. X is greater than or equal to 0. X minus minus. Dayon. Botanin ka dire. Names. Ano ito niya? Wait lang. Okay, nawala papel. Okay. BI. Okay. Okay. So, this one para mas sandali. Mag-declare ko dire og int y is equals to counter 0. Para si counter 0 siya ang mag-ingon nga para siya nga 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Si counter na to, counter okay, is equals to names copy na siya. Names copy counter names dot x. Okay. Atong counter na to is a plus plus na to. Okay, let's try. Ato ding i-output tayan. So as you can see, the first one is the names, John Cena Undertaker. Ang second one na yan is Taker under Cena John. So gibali siya. So muna this code will be ang pag-copy into from top to bottom. Okay? Sir, kung gusto na ko sir kapihon nga John Cena Undertaker lang yapon. Pwede niya na buhaton. So awaton ninyo nga code kani siya. Okay, pwede niyo na siya awaton. Okay? This is the code. Ang kaning code na ipakita sa inyo is this one pag-copy. This one is nasa taas copying. This is copying using the java.util.arrays. No, wala tong pag-copy na to ani. Ganison is mano-mano nga pag-copy nga. What do you mean by mano-mano kanang wala ta nagamit og util excuse me. Wala ta nagamit og package. Ang atong gigamit lang is ato ang for loop lang pag-code na to. Okay? And then this one is copying of reference. This is the other copying of reference. So this is how to change the values code sa imong array nimo pag change of values. Okay? Okay? So let's proceed now to kuan. Ang array na to is pwede na to ang array mo na to siya og murag database. Okay, for example, what are the functions na itong ngayon pag-array na to? Pwede na to siya buhaton nga ang atong i-discuss pa lang so far is pag-declare sa array and then pag-declare, pag-copy, and then pag-output. It's either pag-output nga individual. So kung gusto ka output nga individual, system.out to diretso, then call the element or the index. So the same ani. So output na individual ni siya. Individual. Okay, output na to individual ang iyang kuan niya. So, siya names 2, so ang iyang output niya ni will be at index, so the output is under 0, 1, 2. So na siya. And then atong gikuan pod ang pag-output sa kuan first sa length. This one dot length ang gamit. So wala na import kinahanglan sa dot length. And then we have the last element in the last index, so we will be able to identify pod even that length minus 1. So take note lang dari what is the first index, 0, what is the last index, length minus 1. And then this one, pag-output into from index 0 to the last index. And then the other loop is from the last index to index 0. Balik siya. Baliktad. Okay? And then this one is, we did have here string names copy. Atong gi-copy ang sulod ni names. This one. The first line of code, ningon ta nga mag-declare ta names copy, which is ang iyang length niya is pareha siya lag length ni names. Okay, to ensure that mag-copy man siya ni names atong ikuan dire, pero ang length ni names mo pud ang length dire. Okay? Or pwede niyo butangan og 4 kung sure mo nga 4 ang name ang length. Pero pag di mo sure, mas saktong answer names that length. Okay? So the counter is used for kay nag-copy makag, for example, nag-copy makag names, string names copy. Gusto nimo nga because there are 4, di ba? 4. Kaya gusto nimo 4 siya, so nag-declare kag counter para siya ang mag-ingon nga 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Siya mo nga index dire, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kay si X man god, si X nag-start siya kang names that length minus 1, nag-start siya 3. So that is ang index 3, which is taker, mo mabutang dire kang counter 0. So that's copy niya. So 2 under dire copy. 3 copy niya diha. Dili man sila pareha og index. Mo nang purpose ni counter. So ginana niya pag-copy ang imong array nimo. Okay? Nag-X sila, nag-X. So this one is pag-print sa names and this one is pag-print sa names copy. Okay? That is for our array. So, let's go now to our array nga kani.